Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Rhea_Home44. I'm so excited because I'm going to be unboxing the air fryer that I purchased. It's called Cosori. I don't know if that's how you pronounce it, but it's spelled Cosori, but I guess it's Cosori. Sorry if it's not pronounced correctly. But anyway, my sister-in-law, I'm not gonna name her name, but she has been using this air fryer for a while now, and she highly recommends it. So I bought the exact same thing, and I am so excited. I'm just gonna do unboxing and first impression, but then probably in the future when I have some recipes, or if I have tried it already, I'll post more videos. So here we go. I ordered my air fryer, or this air fryer, at Amazon, and I'm going to provide an Amazon link down below if you want to purchase the same thing. But this came in like this in a box, and it's a little heavy, but it's not too heavy. So I'm gonna be unboxing this one. So stay tuned. So here's what's inside the box. I'm sorry I'm not able to show you while I was unboxing because, you know, the struggle is real. I can't hold the camera and cut the tape and then open up the box and, you know, try to pull it out of the foam. But this is what's inside. They come in with this one. Prepare your kitchen and your appetite. Let's see what's in here. It has, oh, that is a user manual. And what is that? Let's see. Okay, it looks like a thank you whatever, but they do have a recipe book. Yep, this is awesome. It comes in with a recipe book. They have like fried chicken, chicken parmesan, ooh, Italian meatballs. Ooh, you can cook ribs in here in this air fryer too. And pizza. Ooh, that's really awesome. And also bacon. You know, we like eating bacon, and my kids love bacon, but I hate cooking it because it always would make a mess when I'm cooking because it's a lot of oil. But I guess we would be able to cook it in this air fryer without making a mess in the kitchen. So yep, it comes in with a manual and a recipe book. And here comes the air fryer. I love it. I bought the 5.8 quart, which is the same exact thing that my sister-in-law has. And so the first thing that I asked her when you know, with the air fryer is that is it easy to wash, because I don't like purchasing an appliance that will give me difficulty in washing. And she said it's easy. You just pull this thing out, and then you pop this thing, and you can both wash the tray inside and this one right here. But yep, let's open it up. And there is a special instruction over here to just be careful because it's going to be hot to touch, and do not fill with oil because this is not a deep fryer, it is an air fryer. And do not press button while moving or shaking basket, which is this one. I think they meant this one. So yep, basically this is it. And they also have a special instruction in the front. It says here, before you get started, there's plastic inside. Make sure to pull out and separate the baskets on a countertop and remove all plastics before plugging in. Oh, okay, well, I guess we will find out soon. So, okay, wait a minute. Let's take off the plastic from the plug here. And of course, the cover, the plug covers. And then open it up. Oh, I guess you have to push it when you open. Oh, wait a minute. Did I? It's so funny. I forgot to remove this one when I was having trouble pulling it out. Oh, silly. Anyway, you just pull it like so. Oh, did I break it? I hope I didn't break it. So there's that. Okay, let me lay it over here on the side so we don't drop it on the floor. And so here's this. That's the one of the trays right there, and this one is the kind of like a skewer. I'm gonna get a scissor to open that. Just open this small plastic, and it has this like little skewers. I don't know what is this for, but we will find out when I get to try this air fryer. But it looks like it's for you know, for barbecue. Like you put the meat or the vegetables and then you cook it. I don't know. I'm just guessing. But okay, there's that. There's 4 pieces. Oh no, there's 5 pieces of that. And here's the. Okay, they have additional instruction here that we can probably like read. Oh, okay. It says here, warning, plastic bag can be dangerous. To avoid danger or suffocation. Oh, okay. Of suffocation is just generic warning for plastic bags. But anyway, let's take that out. And of course, we don't need this foam thingy. And that's the tray. It's really big, you know. You could probably fit a lot, a lot of chicken in here to fry. So we'll see. And I like the texture of the handle. It's not slippery. Like you could have a good grip when you're trying to hold it. So, but I need to find out if this handle would also be hot when you're trying to cook. I'm assuming it would, but it's a good thing to know before you touch it. You don't want to burn burn your hands or hand. And there is some like 2 like cardboard piece inside, so you might want to remove that. And I think that's it for now. So, yep, that's it. One more thing, we need to remove the there's styrofoam underneath there, so we need to remove that. Actually trying to figure out how to pop this thing, but that's why I paused the video. But you just have to like push this button here and then lift up, and then these 2 pieces get separated, like the tray and then the container or the basin. So this is the one that I was trying to remove earlier that I couldn't pull. But there's that. And yep, it looks like it's a good piece of appliance. So I guess you just have to like pop this in, I think. Let's see. Whoop, there you go. I'm so scared right now because I don't want to break anything because it's so new, and I am very happy to finally get it. I didn't know, I wasn't sure if we were gonna get it or not, but like I said, my sister-in-law highly recommends it, and they have been using it, and I hope this is not something that I will only be using for like for 1 month and quit using. So, yep. I'm really happy right now because I'm very impressed with the Cosori air fryer. Here it is. There is that. And I can't wait to use this small appliance. One of the things that I don't like when I purchase small appliance is that, you know, it sometimes it's just something that people use and then they end up not using it anymore because it's just on trend. So I'm hoping this air fryer is something that my family or my household will be using for a while. It's not truly expensive. It's reasonable in price, and it looks very sturdy. The appliance looks very sturdy, and I like the color because it's white. I like the, you know, that's what I chose. And like I said, I think this is going to complement my kitchen well because I have white cabinets. So, but aside from that, I want I want to like it. You know what I mean? I want to use it. So I'm hoping that this is not gonna be a pain when I'm using it. I don't want something that I'm gonna be like cleaning, so like making a mess. I don't like doing that, but I'm hoping that I will enjoy this small appliance. So overall, I like the look of it. I like the whole thing. I like how the weight of it, it's not too heavy or anything like that. It is very, it feels manageable, and it feels, well, personally I think it's low maintenance because it looks like this one is easy to clean and this one is easy to put away because of the level over here. It's flat, so you can easily put it under your kitchen cabinet. So I think that's a plus for me. Low maintenance, easy to put in the cabinet. It's not bulky. It doesn't look like an eyesore, and it's white, so it's gonna complement my kitchen. But they do have other colors available. With this one, like I said, I purchased this from Amazon. They do have red and black, and they have a new model in stainless steel color. So if you like those, if you want to complement this, your air fryer to what you have in your kitchen, like if you have stainless steel appliances, then you might want to get the stainless steel appliance. If you like red to have like a pop of color in your kitchen, then they also have a red color. And also if you like black, just so you don't have to like the dirt wouldn't have to like show up or show easily, they also have a black color. But all of those colors, I'm gonna be putting an Amazon link down below if you want to purchase it. And like I said, maybe in the future I'll be posting videos of recipes that I try, and I'm gonna have to try to remember to take videos when I use this appliance, because usually I would remember that, oh, I wish I took a video after I actually do something. So I'm hoping that I would remember, or I'm gonna try to remind myself to remember that I will take a video when I'm trying to test this appliance. So I think that is it for now. We're gonna try, let's try to push this back in. Oh, okay, I guess I put, see how minimal the shape of the appliance is, and very minimal, very clean. I like that. And I like that this one is really, really flat. And also, don't mind my empty pots there. Yep, I need to get more plants. And also my empty shelf there. Yep, I'm gonna put more plants on in that one too. So I guess that's my first impression and unboxing video for Cosori air fryer, and I will be linking the different options for this appliance in my description down below if you want to buy it. And as always, thank you for watching my YouTube channel, and until next time, bye.